Alright, here's my final box. So last box I'll let my wife open. So this is box number 11. And just a recap, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by the letters, 2 by the letter redemptions, and 1 rookie redemption. And here's the rookie card of Chase Pittman, and 3 rookie auto patches. So compared to supposedly having 6, I got 3. So hopefully this box will have a letter patch, and my wife's box has a letter patch, and I'll be happy. The letter patches are really sweet. So alright, here's one autograph. And it's filled light, so it's probably a by the letter. Okay, it's not. Shockingly. And I think he's a better rookie too. And this is of Trent Edwards. Woo! 4-color autograph patch. Number 646 out of 725. So I got 4 rookie patches. 3 of them are 3 colors and 1 4-color. Pretty nice. Here is a psychography of Ronnie Brown, and it looks gold, but I don't. Oh, it is. It's gold. Number 11 out of 25. So that's my second gold card in this case. I'll put that there. Second autograph of the box. So got one more to go. I think I had 2 boxes. 1 box with 5 autographs. 1 box with 4 autographs, I believe. And then I had a box with 2 boxes with 2 autographs. So I think I'm still even. Make out with 36 autographs still. It'd be nice to get a Quinn autograph. That is, even if now, since I've got all my patches and stuff besides that last box, it'd be nice to get a Quinn. Well, YouTube, I have no idea the next time I'll be buying boxes. I think I'm going to buy a case of the Exquisite. I really would like to. Gotta do some talking to my wife. But I think it'll happen. And now that they pushed it back to March 4th, which is nearly a month away, I probably won't be opening cards until then, if I get that case. Huh, that's on top for the first time, which obviously means nothing, but I don't know, so we shall see. Here's a rookie card of Courtney Brown. Here's a rookie card of Eric Frampton. Look how close that is to the edge. I don't think that's correct. These numbers are all over the place with these cards. He might have did it because his helmet is in the way. I don't know. I think I have 1 autograph to go. Not sure. Next to the last pack, and I did get an autograph here, which is Dante Rosario of the Panthers. Oh snap! Number 1199 out of 1199. Final pack. Alright, well, that's my 11 boxes. The last box belongs to my wife, and then I'll do a recap. See ya.